day, crypto forex traders. Welcome to the crypto forex market. I'm going to bring you today a new coin on the market. It's called GRT USD, and as we could see here, GRT USD. I've been watching this coin, and since this year we have broken up to the upside. Since Jan 21, we've come right up to the top, and we're literally on support here. This coin is working to bring reliable decentralization to the public infrastructure, to the mainstream. And if you want to get more news about this coin in a nutshell, just go to Qcoin, and you could also go to CoinDesk as well, which will give you all the different other coins as well, which I previously told you. So all that information is there. But quickly, just going to the chart. This chart here is looking really good for this coin. We've got a support area where it's landed on at the moment, and it's potentially waiting to go to the upside right now. Here's a resistant area where it last went to on the 12th of February, and it came all the way back down. At the moment, we're waiting for a breakout to the upside. That will only happen when the dollar actually falls. But at the moment, the dollar is slightly doing a retrace, and it would fall very soon. And once that falls very soon, we're going to see all the altcoins going to the moon. So please, if you want to buy in this coin, this is a great price to buy in at, 1.78 right here. Very good price to buy in at. It's above my 50 EMA, as I told you in the past. Anything above my 50 EMA, we're looking for a buy. So yeah, and this could literally go to the moon. Yeah, this is gonna make a lot of rich people this year with these altcoins. So if you buy at the right price, then literally just hold it, and literally you can make a lot of money. But from this price here, I would wait. If you're gonna wait for a break here, wait until it retests this area to continue going up, to make a higher high. But yeah, there's a lot of information. If you want to take a snapshot about this coin, you could take a snapshot right here. Right, please like and subscribe, because yeah, we're having a lot of coins going to the upside. If I go to the next coin that we looked at in the past, we looked at KSM BTC. We could see that on the 9th of March we had a strong upside movement to the upside. As I said before, we got two scenarios of it breaking down, which it never did. It held on support level above my 50 EMA on the daily time frame, which is quite strong, and it's literally testing my fib 61 at the moment. So I've drawn in my fib here previously, and it's literally testing that area, and I believe that we're gonna come around this golden fib area here and then continue going up. Literally, that thing is gonna go up soon. So if you're patient, you will literally reap the rewards. So please hold on to this coin. This is a good area to buy in if you want to buy this coin right here. Precisely these fibs, which I use all the time, gives me my precise areas to buy in. So literally, if you want one-to-one teaching how to use these fibs, you could hit me up, send me a message, and we could sort something out. But in the meantime, yeah, please learn from my channel. As you could see that, I'm giving you good areas to buy in at for these altcoins. Yeah, so yeah, this is looking really good. As I previously analyzed, it could move up or move down, and it's decided to move up with this big, massive bullish candle. As you can see here, this was resistant, and it's literally broken past it and closed, and literally retesting this area of supply. So literally, this is the demand area, and literally we're going to continue going up here. That's what's going to happen next. Yeah, so this is looking really good. I'm really excited about these coins here. So I'm going to go into the next coin. So we talked about GRT USD, which is a new coin which I've added to the list. We talked about KSM BTC, which we're on right now. Guys, hold these coins, because this year it's going to just keep on flying up, because I'm seeing the dollar literally going to drop. But I'll show you the dollar in a minute, and I'll tell you the reasons why I see these coins even going higher. So if you go to the next coin that we looked at in the past, which was Adana. However, Adana is holding on my 61. Yes, it came down. It retested this area, came down to my 61, and yeah, that's looking good as well. So yeah, this is a great area to buy in at as well. All these altcoins are literally setting up to move up to the upside. I could see potentially a lot of upside movement going on right now. As you can see here, with my stochastic RSI, we're at the bottom here. Potentially, we're going to have a cross of my MACD to the upside, and that's soon to happen. So guys, just hold on, like, subscribe. Please join if you haven't joined, because I'm going to give you the content that you need. And yeah, you're going to literally get the best places to buy in at the moment. So yeah, these fibs are working really well for me, and right now, yeah, it's looking good. So please like and subscribe. So I'm going to go to the next coin quickly. Dogecoin. In the past we talked about Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is looking good as well. So as you can see, Dogecoin, we've had a curve to the 61. It's holding on my 61 golden area, and potentially we had some consolidation, which I talked about here, and we're looking quite strong at the moment. So it's above my 50 EMA again, and yeah, we could potentially see a lot of upside movement once the dollar drops. Looking good, looking good. 31, this would have been a better price to buy in at, around this price here. But if you still want to buy this, yeah, I'll probably hold off a little bit, see if it comes down a little bit to 50% before buying it. But yeah, this is a good area to buy in at if you're going to buy a 61 area. As you can see, that's a lot of wicking, and it held this area. But you got other coins that you could buy in at. If you missed this one, no problem. But yeah, we didn't come down to the downside. We've literally held that level, and we're going to continue going up. So if I go to the next coin, which is ALG or USD, which we talked about in the past. Again, on the daily time frame, we've had a lot of consolidation. Consolidating market is good around 61 if you want to buy in at. Literally, this is waiting to go to the upside as well. So yeah, guys, this is a good point to buy in at here. If you want to buy in, you can literally buy in here because it's holding quite well. And literally, as we go on to see these altcoins making new highs, I'll literally guide you all along the way, no problem. But yeah, I'm really excited for this year, because this year is going to be the year for altcoins to rise higher and higher than we ever saw before. But yeah, these are good prices to buy in at the moment. Everything that I said in the past is happening. Literally, my fibs are key. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you like what you see. .USD, I've talked about in the past, literally holding my 61 again. You could see there a nice upward movement on the trend line that I've drawn. It's above my 50 EMA on the daily, which is telling me literally this price just wants to continue going up. Plus, we have my trend line drawn as well. That tells you as well. We're going to make some new highs here as well. Looking very good, looking very good. But as I move along with the coins, I'm going to just quickly look at XRP USD, which is one of my coins which I've held. And literally, we're in consolidation mode at the moment. We haven't broken down to the downside. So potentially, we're going to continue going up with XRP USD. So yeah, XRP USD is looking very good. I'm still aiming for the high highs along with the other coins. On the daily, we've got some consolidation. However, just hold that because it's going to go up. If you want to buy in that, this is a good level to buy in at. If you want to buy, no problem at all. Bitcoin again, yes, yes, it's going up. It's looking really strong. However, I'm watching for Bitcoin because Bitcoin has had a long run, and I believe that we're going to have a movement to the downside once altcoins continue going up. If that happens, then we're going to have this break of my 50 EMA happening at some point, and then come down to this level, and then potentially going back up again. So yeah, that's one to look out for as well. But yeah, I won't buy in at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's too high for me. That's a coin that I've literally avoided to buy in at. But yeah, apart from that, yeah, the other coins are my favorites, and they're looking really good. If you want to add any other coins to the list which I haven't got on my list, please do. Please hit me up. Please message me and let me know, and then I'll add it to the list. But yeah, all the other coins I've talked about, GRT USD, which is a new coin which I've added, which I could see potentials, great potentials in it. KSM BTC, just quickly scanning the coins and make sure that I haven't missed out any. That's going really well. This is a good buy area as well. XRP BTC, which is gone to the downside, but this is not a coin that I'm not buying anyway. So yeah, so that will probably hold around this area here. So if I just buy that in, I'll keep a watch of that to see where that's going. But yeah, I could see that probably hitting this area and then continue to go up. Once Bitcoin goes down, then XRP will definitely go up. So I'll keep a watch of this coin as well. So yeah, you could see we've broken that support area here. Potentially it's just it's going to probably test this area here. But yeah, it's looking all good. Adana I've talked about as well. We're holding the 61 potential upside movements for Adana. This is a good area to buy in at as well if you haven't bought in. Dogecoin is a good one as well to buy in at. You can literally, I did say you could buy in here, but if you would really want to get in, put a low lot size and hold this coin. So yeah, they're looking very good. And ALG or USD is looking good, as I talked about. Please, yeah, so don't miss out this run because we're going to get some bull runs coming very soon. As I said, DXY, I told you that I'm going to look at for you. Potentially with DXY, we're going to get another upside movement to here, to this level, to test that level here. If you look at it on the weekly, you can see clearly that literally this area where it's tested last week, it was a support area, which usually when price breaks through support, it has to test as to make sure that literally that's an area that it has to test once it breaks. So it's tested that area on a weekly, and potentially we're going to see a lot of downward movement coming very soon. But we're probably going to get one more test. I'll look at the daily. Yeah, daily. We're going to get one more upside test here to come down right there. If I go on the 1 hour, you could see precisely what it's doing. Yeah, I believe that it's going to go up and literally test this area again and then come straight back down. And with that in mind, anything that has USD in it literally will go the other way. So until this happens, once this happens, and then it starts to move down, then you're going to see all the altcoins literally rising up. So that's what's going to happen. So this is the area to keep your eye on. 92.188. This is the area for the dollar to drop, and once that starts dropping down, all the altcoins are just going to rise. So yeah, I've got my eye on this one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got a lot of information from this. I'm going to give you more hot topics on the cryptocurrencies. Please stay tuned, follow for new currencies that I might add to the list, and any additional currencies that I've talked about in the past, so that you know what's going on. So yeah, every week I'll try to keep you updated as much as possible of what's going on with these coins. So don't worry, please subscribe and like. And yeah, it's nice to see you guys here. Please join, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and get your friends or family to subscribe as well, to keep my content going and to give you new content as well. Alright guys, thank you for joining. I've got to go now, and I'll see you soon.